Let's dive into 50 fun and challenging questions about the diverse and fascinating states of America. Think you can ace it? Let's find out. What is the capital of California? Sacramento. Which state is known as the Sunshine State? Florida. What is the largest state by area? Alaska. Which state has the nickname, the Empire State? New York. Which state is known for the city of Nashville? Tennessee. What is the smallest state by area? Rhode Island. Which state is famous for its potatoes? Idaho. What is the capital of Texas? Austin. Which state is home to the Grand Canyon? Arizona. What is the capital of Illinois? Springfield. Which state is known as the Land of 10,000 Lakes? Minnesota. What is the capital of Nevada? Carson City. Which state is known as the First State? Delaware. What is the capital of New York? Albany. Which state is known for its horse racing in Louisville? Kentucky. What is the capital of Hawaii? Honolulu. Which state is known as the Peach State? Georgia. What is the capital of Pennsylvania? Harrisburg. Which state is known for the city of Seattle? Washington. What is the capital of Ohio? Columbus. Which state is known as the Bluegrass State? Kentucky. What is the capital of Massachusetts? Boston. Which state is known for its corn production? Iowa. What is the capital of Arizona? Phoenix. Which state is known as the Volunteer State? Tennessee. What is the capital of Michigan? Lansing. Which state is known for the city of New Orleans? Louisiana. What is the capital of Colorado? Denver. Which state is known as the Show Me State? Missouri. What is the capital of Georgia? Atlanta. Which state is known for the city of Las Vegas? Nevada. What is the capital of South Carolina? Columbia. Which state is known as the Land of Lincoln? Illinois. What is the capital of Alaska? Juneau. Which state is known for the city of Salt Lake City? Utah. What is the capital of Virginia? Richmond. Which state is known as the natural state? Arkansas. What is the capital of New Jersey? Trenton. Which state is known for the city of Milwaukee? Wisconsin. What is the capital of Oregon? Salem. Which state is known as the Lone Star State? Texas. What is the capital of Maine? Augusta. Which state is known for the city of Albuquerque? New Mexico. What is the capital of North Carolina? Raleigh. Which state is known as the Hawkeye State? Iowa. What is the capital of Oklahoma? Oklahoma City. Which state is known for the city of Charleston? South Carolina. What is the capital of Wisconsin? Madison. Which state is known as the Beaver State? Oregon. What is the capital of Maryland? Annapolis. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.